Hi everybody, it's Anne here and welcome to day 8 of the Papercraft Society Advent Calendar. So we have another treat in store today, and today we have this adorable little die set, and I'm going to show you what I have created with mine. Okay, so here we have the lovely die set today. Now, what I'm going to do is I have a card base here, and I've took this embossing folder as well, which is like a sort of, I wouldn't say a lattice design, but it's sort of a wavy one. And what I've done is I've embossed that just on to some white cardstock, and this is going to go on the front of my little card here. So I'm just going to quickly glue this down. Okay, so that is going to go on there. Now what I've done is this die here, which is a lovely little banner die, perfect for little sentiments. So what I've done is I've cut quite a few of them out of just sort of different shades of blue. So I'm going to have the light blue, and then I'm just going to work down to a darker blue. And I'm just kind of showing you how I'm going to lay them out, just basically all in a row, like so. And then I've done a white one for the bottom, because what I thought was, so you also get with this set a little hello die as well. So I've cut out lots of the hellos, and I'm going to glue them all down there. But then on the bottom one, I'm using this Friendship Sentiments stamp set, and there's the how are you. So I thought that would be quite nice, because on this one I'm going to stamp, so it would be hello, 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 how are you. You also get some really cute little elements, little flowers and things. So I have cut out some of the little flowers and these little hearts. They're kind of like a sort of tiny little button, which I think they are really sweet. And I'm going to attach, well, glue them on as well. So I think what I'll do is I will get these glued on first, then I know, except this one, because obviously I want to stamp on this one. So, oh, my glue is leaking. Let me get these stuck down first. Okay, so that's them on there, and then as I said, on this one we are going to get this how are you stamp, and I've just got some black ink here, and I am going to stamp this on here. There we go. And then this one will go on the bottom. So now I've just got to glue my little hellos down, and then I'll decide where I am going to have the sort of cute little flowers and the little elements that you get with the set as well. going to put this little heart have a little heart here. I think I might flower there. No, we'll have a little flower. That's the same colour. Yeah, we'll have a flower there. I just need to get a little sort of gem or something to pop over the little hole. And I think I'll have this white one just here. We've got a little blue flower which we could put there. Got some of these little crystal little diamantes which will pop in the middle of the flower. Another one there. There we go. So that is what I have made with today's die set, which is, again, it's day number 8, and I think that is really sweet. Okay, so that is it from me today. That was day number 8. Again, I think it is a really sweet little card. Join us tomorrow. We'll be back with day 9, and I'm sure there'll be something lovely in store again. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.